The install display of Siterwell GS368. Before installation, make sure to switch off the power. Step 1. Use a decorative plate to locate the punched holes. Step 2. Drill for holes of 5 mm diameter. Insert the for expansion capsules in the parts package separately. Step 3. Secure the trim panel with 3 mm diameter screws. Step 4. Secure the pegboard with 3 mm diameter screws. Step 5. Press and hold the button on the pegboard to insert the wires into the corresponding pegboard holes. Organize the wires. Step 6. Installation of the product. Step 7. Turn on the power. Product led display smiley face flashing.